Hey, how's it going tonight? Uh, Welcome back. So tonight I'm going to do a swipe using Artist Loft's Ready Pour paints. Um, each cup has about 2 drops of silicone in it. Just testing this out on a 8 by 10 canvas just to see if it actually works, like some of the videos I've seen on YouTube. I didn't want to waste too much paint since this stuff isn't very cost efficient, but I'm going to try it out and see how it goes. I'm going to finish pouring out my paint, stretching it out, make sure it's on everywhere that I need, and then I'll get my plastic wrap to do the swipe with. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Got my plastic wrap, and I'm going to pour a little extra paint just to make sure I have enough. And then I am gonna see how it goes. Alright, let's wait for the cells. Sadly, you gotta sit here and wait for them to come up, as they do get bigger the longer you wait. But I'm really impatient, so I'm probably about to torch it just to speed this up. Alright, let's see what we get. Alright, here comes a bunch of cells. So I'm going to try to run off some of the white on top just to leave a little bit more of the color. But honestly, past that, I am going to leave it alone just because I think it looks good the way it is right now. And obviously when you tilt with cells, you don't want to go too fast, or it might actually break them up or basically mess them up. But from now on, I'm just going to do my sides. Alright, this is pretty much what it looks like after sitting for just a little bit. Bring it down for a closer look. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'll be uploading more videos as I can edit them. But anyway, thanks for watching. Take it easy.